What is up, beautiful people? It's your girl Cam, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be setting up my weekly and daily pages in my faith journal. So welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, I'm so glad that you're here. If you like what you see here, I hope you'll leave me a big thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post new content right here for you. If you're an OG girl, welcome back. You know, I love all things fall. And so this first week of October is super special for me because I'm going to get into all the fall goodness, y'all. We're getting into all the fall vibes. So for today, I want to set up my weekly pages here in my journal, and I want to use this beautiful vintage autumn love kit from Let's Get Planned. I mean, what better way to kick off the first weekly spread in my fall journal? Like, are we for real? I'm not a person that hoards stickers, but if I was that kind of person, this would be the sticker sheets. These would be the sticker sheets that I would save, because this is just, it's stunning. But I love to see my stickers in my journals. I love to see them in my books. So we're going to use that for the weekly. And then we'll use a few more Let's Get Planned items in these dolls for my daily pages. Love these. All of these are from Let's Get Planned. We're going to try to incorporate these as well. So we have a lot to do, but it's lots of fun things to do. So let's get into it. This kit is so gorgeous. Let's see where I want to start. Okay, I love this washi. It is so pretty. Who am I kidding? I love everything about this kit. Like, every single thing about this kit is just chef's kiss. Chef's kiss, my friends. Let's Get Planned does not miss. She always hits a home run, okay? It's always a home run. So I'm putting down some basic items like florals and washi, so I can be a little bit more strategic with my more decorative elements. With the fashion dolls, fashion guys and dolls, because we do have a guy this week. I'm going to put this right in the center of the right hand page. And I think I'm going to do the same on the left. I think that's what I want to do. Try to get it right in the center. There we go. Now here's the hard part. Where do we put all the rest of these gorgeous images? Let me grab my tweezers. I kind of think I want the guy to start us out on Monday, because he just looks so suave and debonair. We like him. And this just reminds me so much of like the late 60s, early 70s. It's giving me that vibe. It's giving me the vibes. I'm going to place our lady over here. And we're going to place our other lady. I think we'll place her right here. So pretty. And then we have so much beautiful, beautiful artwork to add. I'm going to put the Volkswagen Beetle down at the bottom here. And we're going to add some books. And look at this cute little bird. We're going to add this bird in here as well. Let's just put him here. Put our little love note here. And we'll put another love note up here. And there's a quote that says, oh, this is my favorite quote. Oh my word. You return like autumn and I fall every time. Ugh. Are you for real? That is so pretty. We're going to put that down here. And then let's dig into this second page. I'm going to grab this little coat. And put it down at the bottom of the page along with the umbrella. Then I'm going to add another one of these birds. And we'll put it in by the quote. Right here by this quote. Such a stunner. Look at this quote that says, well, hello, fall, my darling. Ooh, love that. I'm going to put that by him. Love it. And I'm going to add this book. I'm just going to put all of the images down that we can. There's so much here to just love. So much to love about this kit. There's another quote here. And the sun took a step back. The leaves lulled themselves to sleep, and autumn was awakened. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to have to move this sticker. I forgot all about that quote. Let's see if I can pull this up. Okay, I also want to use the rest of this washi, these washi strips. I don't know where I'm going to put them, but I just know I want to use them. I want to use every last bit of this kit. I want all of it on my pages. So let's put some of the washi here. And let's put another piece of the washi. Let's put it on this side right here. going to go into this other kit called Falling for Planning. And I'm going to grab the days of the week out of this one. And we'll use some different days of the week when we get into my daily pages. I just think this is the same font as the quote down at the bottom. So I think this will go nicely with the spread. All right, so that's going to do it for my weekly setup. Let's move on to the daily pages. Okay, so for my daily pages, I'm going to do a mashup of Anika's Creative Closet using her fall functional to create a waterfall effect in my pages for this week. So the first thing I want to do is I want to indicate which day of the week these pages represent. So this is going to be Monday, and I'm doing this so I know how many pages I'm going to use on the waterfall. That's Monday and Tuesday. Here's Wednesday. Here's Thursday. Friday. Saturday. And sermon notes. I'm just going to write sermon on here. Okay, that lets me know how many pages I'm going to be working with, so I don't miscalculate how many pages I need to put in this waterfall. So I'm going to start at the back, and I'm going to move my way forward, and I'm going to start with a set of florals that is going to serve as my backdrop for all of these waterfall pages. And I'm probably going to use the same florals in the back of this waterfall and in the front. Okay, so let me pull out my colors here so I see what we're working with. And let's see which one of these florals will go best, because this is the washi tape I'm working with. Oh, that's good. I think I'm going to go with this floral design for my back page of this waterfall. Let me pull this out. So I think I'm going to need all of this. I'm going to grab this floral sticker. And I want to line it up at the top of the page. And I want to go reasonably far over, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going over about 8 in my dot grid. I'm in a B5, so it's bigger than an A5. And it gives me lots of room to be creative. I think I'm going to make this one land at the bottom of the page. And then grab this last piece, and we'll do a kind of catty corner and let it land right there. And this is clear. It's a clear sticker, so I can see exactly where I need to cut. And I'm going to round my corners. Okay, so let's go into Monday and do the same thing. I'm going to grab the matte version of this sticker, and we're going to put it in the front. So this is my Monday page, and I'm going to set it here. I'm actually going to cut this leaf off. I'm going to start at the top of the page and line it up. I'm going to go back in with this last clear sticker and line it up with the bottom of this page. Just like that. Come in and cut my corners. And this extra little bit that's hanging off. I'm going to hold on to the rest of these stickers because I'm probably going to need them. Okay, so I had started to cut this page, and that's really not what I need to do first. I need to lay my washi down first because I'm going to add some functional boxes to this waterfall layout. And I really need to have the washi tape on here first and then add my functional boxes on top. So I need to slow my roll, slow my roll so I don't mess up. And add the washi tape. Then I'm going to add my functional boxes, and I want to go right up to the edge of this page and right up against the edge here as well. Make sure this is closed up. Okay. Now I can cut. And what I want to cut is, I probably need to take this down so it doesn't roll over. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of tape on here. Just to make sure my pages don't separate. Just going to put a little bit of tape on here. There we go. Now I'm going to go in and cut these, cut along the edge of the functional boxes. And then I'm going to place a matching functional box on the other side. Look at that already, though. That looks so good with this floral in the background and these little functional boxes sticking out. So I'm going to put a matching box on the back. What we grabbed was the wine color and the gold. And I'm just going to line these up, put them right up against the edge there, lay it down, and grab the gold and line it up as well. Okay, and then we can go on to our next page. Now let's fold the page over. And whereas I went in 2 spaces on my last page, I'm going to go in 4 spaces this time, but I'm going to start with the washi first so we don't have a fiasco on our hands. And for this one, I want to go in with this kind of gingham pattern and see if this will work. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start our washi tape right there. I'm going to go all the way up to the top and just go straight down and follow that dot grid line. And then chop this washi. Okay, and for this one, I think I want to have 2 boxes in the middle. We're going to try that. And we're going to use the same colors that we used before. We're going to use this wine color and this gold. And I'm going to flip-flop them. Let's see, how far over do I want to go? I don't want to go all the way over to the edge. And I want to kind of crisscross these boxes. Wondering if I want them touching each other or not. I think touching would be fine. Okay. So fingers crossed, and let's cut this down now. I actually did this one the right way. So we start with the washi, add the functional boxes on, and then cut these shapes out. So we've got these boxes sticking out at the top and these in the middle. Love it. Now I need to add those same boxes on the back. Love it, love it, love it. And now we're going to do one more. That waterfall is looking so pretty. Okay, so here's the deal. You can do so many different things with these tabs. You can put the days of the week in here. You could put quotes in here. You could put pictures in here. You could write a scripture in there. You could do all kinds of things with these boxes. I am going to use them to decorate and to add some of this beautiful fall clip art to my pages. That is how I'm going to use it. So I'm probably going to use quite a bit of the Let's Get Planned images. I'm probably also going to add some images from Anika's Creative Closet as well. Because I was doing this kind of waterfall setup, I did not draw my boxes in yet because I really didn't know how this page is going to land. So I want to go in and draw my boxes and then we'll come back and decorate. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now I've got all my boxes in. Okay, now I've got all my boxes drawn on my pages, and I've got my tabs in here. The next thing I want to do is I want to start decorating. And so I think I'm going to start with the dolls. Let's Get Planned. And then work our way over. We have so much to work with. All of these dolls. I am excited. I think I want to start with this girl right here. So pretty. She's sitting on a stack of books. And one of them is probably her journal and her Bible. So we're going to go in with this. And I want to add some florals. I want to try to keep tying in this floral image. So I'm going to put this floral, behind her head and try to keep tying that in as we go. I need to move it up a little bit though. And we'll put her right here. Like that. This girl, and put her down in the bottom corner. And I'll grab one of the Let's Get Planned flowers. So we're putting her in here as well, right here at the bottom. I think I want to add these pine cones. In this box. But I want to cut it down some. And we'll put this image right inside this box here. Try to make sure it fits right in there. All right, y'all, I've got all of my decoration in. I've got my waterfall done. I've got my headers for each section all laid out, and I think this turned out great. So let's do a complete flip through of all the pages that we set up today. So first, weekly spread. Just chef's kiss. I love it. I love it. I love it. All these beautiful quotes. Love how these two pages came together. And then in my daily pages, I've done a waterfall here. And this is the Monday and Tuesday spread. I've got my scripture, prayer, and affirmation, prayer, scripture, and quote. And I do use 3 boxes for each day. I'm always going to have a scripture, always going to have a prayer. I rotate between affirmation, quote, and thoughts for that 3rd box. Love these little tabs. So cute. Turn it over, and this is Wednesday and Thursday, and you get a good look at the florals down the side here when you turn this page over. And I did add some of the art from Anika's Creative Closet. I think it's called Autumn Adventures. I think that's the sticker book I was in. This is Wednesday and Thursday. These dolls came from Let's Get Planned. And then here is Friday and Saturday. Love, love, love how these pages came together. I love the fact that you see the florals down the side as you turn the pages. That just makes me so happy. And then all these beautiful floral images added in as well. And then finally, we've got my sermon notes page. Just a basic box around the edge and florals down the side, and some of those images, and both of these dolls are from Let's Get Planned. So I want to thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I hope you'll take a moment and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified every time I post new content right here for you. I hope that you're having a great experience using your faith journal. I hope that you are spending good quality time with God through prayer and Bible study. And I hope that you're creating a keepsake that will just bring joy to you over the years as you continue to grow your faith. So I'll put all the shops linked down below that are featured in this video, along with my coupon code. And I hope you all have a great week. I hope your week is full of love, joy, and most of all, peace. I'll see you next time.